Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file a Form 1 suppressor. First, understand that the ATF e-form system is the only way to submit this application. You'll need to gather all your personal information and details about the suppressor components you plan to use. Remember, a trust or corporation can also be the applicant, not just an individual. This preparation ensures a smoother process. Next, let's talk about the documents you'll need. You'll require a clear, digital passport-style photograph of yourself. For fingerprints, you have two options. Either submit them electronically through an approved vendor or mail physical fingerprint cards directly to the ATF. Also, be ready to provide precise details about your planned suppressor, including its caliber, overall length, and the specific materials you intend to use for its construction. Now, let's walk through the application itself. Your first step is to create an account on the official ATF eForms website. Once logged in, carefully complete each section of the Form 1 application. Accuracy is key here, so double-check all your entries. Finally, you'll pay the required $200 tax stamp fee directly through the eForms system. This payment is essential for your application to proceed. After you've submitted your application, the waiting begins. You can track the status of your Form 1 directly within your eForms account. Be aware that the approval process can take several months, so patience is important. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your digital tax stamp. At that point, you can legally proceed with manufacturing your suppressor according to the specifications you provided.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.